Hi, I'm Edison, and in this video, I'll be showcasing a custom control panel I developed for the Pioreactor, hosted on Huggingface. This tool makes managing and monitoring Pioreactor experiments more efficient and accessible. This is the control panel for the Pioreactor, hosted on Huggingface. At a glance, you can see key features such as status monitoring, experiment management, stirring controls, temperature automation, optical density readings, and LED settings. To get started, we need to enter the experiment name, which we can get from the get status. As we can see, the experiment name is ED, and we just put that in the experiment name. Next, we can change experiments by adding new experiments. See, we add test 3. Now we can verify it by getting the status, and it should show up in the experiments section. We can do the same for removing experiments. And we can also change to a different experiment. Now, a note for changing experiments is that after changing, we need to change the name at the top of the control panel as well. Now we demonstrate like the stirring functionality. We can send the command and set the RPM. And here on the Pioreactor, the stirring will have started. We can send the command to stop the stirring now. And we can see that on the Pioreactor, the stirring will stop. Likewise, we can do this with all the other settings. For example, we also demonstrate cycling media. So this is time in seconds. It will start the main pump and the removal pump at the same time. Now we can see the water cycling in and out of the Pioreactor. We can also go to the graph panel to get info about the data that we have collected. For any other information or any concerns you have, you can go to the community section and start a new discussion.